around you. The world has a natural rhythm. It breaks, and then it builds. It destroys, and then it heals. We are part of that cycle. The darkness is just a shadow, waiting for the light. Through the cracks, and so will we. Stronger, better together.